India is facing a severe coal shortage. The country's power plants are running dangerously low on coal. Several states, including Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka, have raised concerns over blackouts due to coal shortages. India is the world's second largest importer of coal after China. The electricity sector is the largest consumer of raw coal. With economic activities resuming in the country, the demand for electricity and coal has increased sharply. Electricity consumption has jumped almost 17% in the last 2 months compared to the same period in 2019. Central Electricity Authority of India data revealed that India is facing an unprecedented shortage of coal stocks in thermal plants, which would lead to a power crisis. The data also shows that 67% of 135 thermal plants had just stocks left for the next 6-7 days. India's power consumption saw a rise of 17% in 2021 as compared to 2019's consumption. The shortage of coal has increased fears of possible blackouts in several parts of India. Experts state that the coal shortage could disturb renewed efforts to ramp up manufacturing in the country. Amid the rising concerns about coal shortages in India, Union Power Minister R.K. Singh has assured that there is ample coal available in the country to meet the demand of power plants. The ministry also emphasized that unnecessary panic has been created about the coal shortage. However, Chief Ministers of Karnataka and Punjab requested the centre to increase coal supply to their states. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to intervene so that coal and gas can be diverted to plants that supply electricity. While some states have witnessed long power cuts, other states are fearing possible power cuts in the country. States like Delhi, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh are worst affected by the coal shortages in the country. Let's take a look at the situation in a few states facing severe coal shortages. The Maharashtra State Electricity Regulatory Commission has asked people to use power in a restricted manner during peak hours between 6 am and 10 am and 6 pm and 10 pm. The Power Department officials said that if the coal situation is not rectified within the next few days, then the state may face load shedding for 6 to 8 hours each day. According to Power Department officials, the power to farm pumps is being supplied only 8 hours per day to prevent excessive load. The power sector in Kerala is feeling the pinch due to coal shortages in the state. Of late, the state is facing a shortage of 15% of power from the central pool due to the closure of thermal stations. Kerala Electricity Minister K. Krishan Kutty said that the coal shortage in the country is affecting the state as well, and the government is mulling the implementation of power cuts to overcome the crisis. Currently, Karnataka has been focusing on securing coal stocks and supplies because of concerns over existing stocks. Power Department officials said that 3 thermal power stations in the state have reserves that are expected to last for a few days. Meanwhile, Karnataka Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai has requested the Union Minister for Environment and Forest, Bhupendra Yadav, to give the required approval regarding the allotment of a coal block near Chandrapur in Maharashtra by the centre. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the national capital would face a severe power crisis due to a coal shortage in the country. The Tata Power arm operating in Delhi has sent phone messages to its customers asking them to use electricity judiciously in the afternoon due to the ongoing issue. Arvind Kejriwal took to Twitter and said that he is keeping close watch over the situation in the national capital. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi said that the thermal plants in Punjab, including Lehra Mohabbat, Ropar, Rajpura and Talwandi, can only generate power for 4 days. The state-owned power company PSPCL has resorted to 3 to 6 hour power cuts, sparking protests in different parts of Punjab. While states seem to be panicking about the power crisis looming in the country, the union government believes there is no need to worry. Industry experts said that the electricity shortage could result in retail inflation affecting food and oil prices.